There are two major reasons why businesses will fail. One, managing and making more money. And two, they're unable to withstand the mental battles that comes with being a business owner. Hello, it's Shanique here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. You're gonna learn everything entrepreneurship, mindset. And this topic is dear to me because the last 2 months I stopped taking on new clients because I realized there was a huge mental battle that I was going through. And it didn't matter how much success and more money that I see in my business, there was something always stopping me from getting further. And it was my mind and my thoughts. So let's get into the mental battles that cleaning business owners, including myself, deal with and how I and you can overcome them. There's three knots that most entrepreneurs are struggling with: not believing you're enough, not making enough money, and not knowing enough. And the first one, not good enough. Not believing that you can keep up with your industry in the cleaning business, being able to compete with other cleaners or other cleaning companies, or reach the reputation of other larger cleaning companies in your area. And what I say to this is that you're not here to be enough compared to someone else. You just need to be enough compared to the vision that you have for yourself. You want to build a business that makes you and your family proud. You cannot compare what other business owners, their goals are. You don't even know if you can even manage, if you even would want it, even fits in your lifestyle. You need to identify what being good, great, awesome, financial, successful, profitable means to you, and you can dictate what that end goal is per se for yourself. The moment I chose to build a professional business is when everything changed and I've seen true growth. Instead of placing yourself in not good enough, place yourself in growth mode. You're just growing. What really helped me stand out as a professional in the cleaning industry, to the point that I had a client say, "I've never hired such a professional cleaning company like yours." And that was because I was using Jobber, the AI home service software. I made my business more valuable by investing in the technology. And that's a competitive advantage of Jobber and what it did for me. It boosted my confidence as a business owner. It boosted my value and my authority within the marketplace and relationship trust with my clients. Jobber is perfect for self-employed cleaners as well as growing teams. It's your business backbone for scheduling, invoicing, quoting, and so much more, like marketing, email marketing, payroll, and brand awareness. And if you want to try Jobber, just check the description box down below. Next, the crippling mindset is that you're not making enough. And obviously, your goal is to be a profitable business, to make more. However, the problem is when you are stuck in "I'm not making enough" and it becomes a fear and becomes a limiting mindset, you start to make business decisions in fear and in lack. When it comes to investing in your business, it's going to be very hard to grow when every decision you're always telling yourself, "I don't have enough, there's not enough money, I don't want to invest in that. I don't have money. I'm going to wait until I get more clients to do so." You're going to always be stuck waiting instead of planning and making things happen for your business. When I figured out that I was doing just that, being fearful to make the right decisions in my business due to my negative money mindset, is when I was able to challenge those thoughts and identify whenever I felt triggered, I felt tense, or when I was making a decision out of fear and not out of strategic planning. And if you want to know how you are handling your business and what mindset you are operating in, check out my free quiz down below, because there's nothing more powerful than a leader that knows themselves so they can make the right decisions for themselves and their team alike. And next, you feel like you don't know enough. And when you feel incompetent, you feel less than, you then slow down your process of making the right decision for your business. You make a decision, but you don't trust yourself. When you start a plan, you end it immediately because you believe that it's not enough or it's not the right way. You continue to question yourself as a leader because you do not know enough. And I get it. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. You learn through experience, but if you do want the understanding, I put all my experience in the cleaning industry, starting as a solo cleaner by myself to establishing a remote cleaning business to this day. I've learned everything that helped me earn $60,000 in revenue in 90 days, stop working for anyone for over 2 years, and be able to fund my online business. I put everything in this no BS remote cleaning checklist, and you get access to that free when you join my private Profit Mindset Mastery Discord group. You could check the description box down below to join and get that checklist. It includes everything from how I priced, to how did I find subcontractors, to my mental mindset breakthrough, incorporating AI prompts to help you figure out and make the right decisions based on your business goals so that you're creating a business that you're proud of and not that you are tolerating or hoping to pay your next bill. Don't not think that you are alone when you have breakdowns, when you are feel frustrated, when you have burnout, when you feel scared. Those are natural feelings. But the problem is when you live in those feelings, when you live in those negative mindsets, and you let those thoughts slow down, if not break down your business. Be sure to subscribe to my channel as I share I share the journey of redefining my relationship with money and my identity. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.